Hi, hello, my name is Vladimir. I'm the CEO and founder of Kwambio. It's a 3D printing company, but focused on a kind of a special material which ceramics is. When you think about 3D printing, you're thinking about plastics, maybe metal, but not about ceramics. And that's what we are doing for at least 4 years from now. Because the ceramics is kind of a special material. It's, I think, one of the oldest industries in the world, and still one of the industries that hasn't been yet disrupted by new technology, because if you look at how the products are manufactured, they're still the same, and they were manufactured like 10 or 20,000 years BC. And the market for the ceramics is really big and huge, which is only not like vases or cups or home decor you think about, but also advanced technology, advanced ceramics, healthcare, industrial applications, aerospace. And all of that segments and industries are ready to be disrupted by really new additive technologies that will make the ceramics much more efficient. If comparing ceramics to other 3D printing technologies in the 3D ecosystem, it's growing steadily and it's growing faster than other segments like plastics and metals, and it will hit like $3 and $6 billion shortly. You can look at how the ceramics products are still manufactured. It's mostly the same technology as it was invented like 20,000 years ago. You'll need a lot of handmade process, and it will take like a month to manufacture a finished ceramics high quality precision piece from the idea to finished product. And what we decided to do to make it much easier and faster, that's how faster and easier it should be, using our ceramics binder jetting technology, which is patented technology by Kwambio. And we are developers of the technology, the printer, and the set of materials we are offering, so you can get the finished ceramics piece in 1 day from idea to finished product. And the technology we're offering can be used for different industries, for design and art industry, for industrial applications, mostly for aerospace, and for healthcare, for printing bones and organic bone structure, giving our customers really high quality, high precision, and organic pieces which are so important for surgeries and for healthcare segments. We have pretty nice traction for now. We've already shipped about 20,000 products to our customers globally, mostly to United States and Western Europe, and we have about 1,400 customers in North America that we're working for the last 2 years. I can tell a little bit more about use cases so you'll figure out how actually the ceramics works with 3D printing and more than business. Because what we tried to do when we just started, we decided that if there is a traditional ceramics business or traditional ceramics technology, we should offer some kind of a new disruption technology which will deliver the same quality, high quality and high precision. But then as we got more traction, we figured out we're not just serving the customer with a new technology that can do the same stuff that they could do with the traditional one, but enhancing the properties and the potential of the ceramics itself as a material. So our vision and our mission is to expand ceramics to the new century. And that's what we do with Stanley Black & Decker, one of the biggest companies in the world producing tools and some medical devices. We print special ferrule rings for the weld departments, so they can print at least 25 different rings during 1 hour and go from idea to new model just in 2-3 hours. So they're printing about like tens of thousands of that rings every day, and they need to play with the new sizes, with the new designs during 1 day to get another finished product next day, and that's where our technology helped them a lot. What's cool that we develop a special powder for them so they can use a special 3D printed ceramics which can survive about 2 and 2.5 thousand Celsius, which is really impossible for traditional ceramic ferrule rings. Also, we have a great design cases with art and cool designers, which we offer kind of complicated geometric shape, which cannot be done using traditional ceramics and traditional technology of casting, which like differentiate the designers very lot. We're working with Cooper Hewitt Museum of Design in New York, with Gallery of Usagi, and with designers in Tokyo, in Shanghai, and different countries. Also, we just launched our Bioprinting Initiative. The idea behind it is that we want to change our approach to our bones and organs as spare parts for our body, as we used to for the automobiles or the equipment or the computers. The idea behind it is that we can print not a graft, not an implant, but really organic bone structure, big size organic bones, which can be implanted really fast with a surgery which can give you a quick recovery. Now we're working with a special program with the Army Foundation, and UConn, University of Connecticut, on special program for quick recovery for wounded warriors for the Army of the United States. And we just successfully passed the preclinical studies for this type of materials and technology, and now going into clinical studies. All we can do that before all the great technology we have developed. It's a ceramics binder jetting technology, which really stable, scalable, cost efficient, and you can set up our printer without any special conditions for the space and the environment. No gases, no special lasers we use. It's just as easy as print document, but in 3D. That's the idea behind the binder jetting. We just launched 2 machines, which we announced during the CS show earlier this year in Vegas, and then in Shanghai CS show. The first is a bigger machine with a printing volume about 50 cubic centimeters, and the second is the first ever desktop industrial-grade ceramics 3D printer, which can work in your studio, in your workshop, in your gallery, in a makerspace, with a price check of just $7,000, but which really enables you having that industrial grade technology for different type of applications, not only consumer, but industrial applications and bioprinting for university labs. And of course, we have a set of materials, which are also patented by our company, which enable you to go to that different applications and having everything you need inside one machine, just only changing the materials you use right now. This also covers the biomaterials, which are used for printing organic bone structures, which are not only patented, but just passed, as I mentioned, preclinical studies. Our business model consists of 2 parts. We sell machines and materials, and also we run our own facility, which is located in Ukraine and ship about 1,000 products per month to our customers. On the printer side, we already have pre-orders for 22 machines, and we already shipped the first batch of 5 machines to our customers, one of them in London, UK. And when we were just starting it, there was a competition about other 3D printing services which offered on-demand ceramics. Now, I think every ceramic piece which people are ordering on demand, going to our factory, there are no other services on the market that can offer cost-efficient, really scalable ceramics 3D printing. And comparing the technology, you can see that what we offer is really cost-efficient, really easy to set up, and the price check is really 5 times lower that you can get for a complicated machine for a special space recommendation. We were participating in the Techstars program, getting the network for both Techstars and Stanley Black & Decker in state of Connecticut. We have a great team who work in our office in New York, in Hartford. We have a showroom in London, and of course, we have our production facility in Ukraine, where we would work for about 25 people who are working on our R&D center and they're printing stuff for our customers globally. We have been listed for 2nd year in a row among top 4 3D printing companies in additive manufacturing ceramic segment, behind HP. I don't know why HP doesn't offer any ceramics 3D printing, but they're still on the list. But we are trying to do our best to be even #1 for the next year. Our mission for now is to give the new property of the ceramics to different industries and to the consumers so they can figure out what they can do in the 21st century with the new type of materials which ceramics haven't been before, but now can be with using our binder jetting technology. So thanks for taking your time. If you have any questions, we're raising our new round. We just closed $3 million funding last year, and now we're opening $5 million investment round for scaling our business. We want to expand our production capacity, launch assembling line, and to expand to the new market. So if you're interested, reach me out by email, and I'll be walking around. Thank you very much.